Want smooth skin for under 5? Let's do it. Mention why salon waxing is expensive and how DIY saves money. Homemade wax and easy steps. Watch till the end for bonus tips. What you need: affordable supplies, sugar, lemon juice, and water for DIY wax. Popsicle stick or butter knife for wax application. Clean cloth strips, old t-shirts work. For removal, baby powder or cornstarch to prep skin. Preparing your skin for waxing. Exfoliate the area day before to remove dead skin. Clean and dry skin to ensure better wax grip. Lightly dust with powder to absorb moisture. Trim hair to about 1/4 inch for best results. Making the DIY wax under $5 method. Mix 1 cup sugar plus 2 ts lemon juice plus 2 ts water. Heat until golden brown like honey texture. Let it cool to warm, but not hot temperature. Store any extra wax for later use. Testing the wax before application. Check temperature to avoid burns. Apply a small amount to a test area. Pull off to check stickiness and grip. Adjust by adding a bit of water if too thick. Applying the wax correctly. Spread wax thinly in the direction of hair growth. Leave space at the end for easy gripping. Press fabric strip firmly onto the wax. Let it sit for a few seconds before removing. The best way to remove wax. Hold skin tight for less pain. Pull strip quickly in the opposite direction of hair. Stay close to the skin. Don't pull upwards. Repeat if needed for any missed hairs. Dealing with pain and sensitivity, wax smaller areas at a time for less pain. Apply cold compress after waxing. Use aloe vera or coconut oil to soothe. Avoid hot showers or scrubbing for 24 hours. Cleaning up after waxing. Remove leftover wax with warm water. Apply moisturizer to hydrate skin. Avoid perfumed lotions or alcohol-based products. Store leftover wax in an airtight container. Common waxing mistakes to avoid. Waxing to short or too long hair. 1/4 inch is ideal. Applying wax to thickly thin layers work best. Not holding skin taut before removing. Skipping after, leading to irritation. How to make waxing less messy. Work on a clean surface with towels. Use baby oil or coconut oil to remove sticky wax. Clean tools immediately with warm water. Avoid waxing near carpets or fabric furniture. When not to wax. Avoid if skin is sunburned or irritated. Don't wax right before or after shaving. Skip waxing if using retinol or acne treatments. Avoid if you have cuts, rashes, or open wounds. Benefits of DIY waxing vs salon waxing. Saves $50 plus per session in salons. Chemical-free. Using only natural ingredients. Customizable to suit skin type. Convenient and done at home anytime. How often should you wax? Every 3-4 weeks for smooth results. Hair grows back softer and finer over time. Frequent waxing reduces hair growth in the long run. Consistency leads to less pain each session. DIY wax, easy steps, budget friendly. Like and subscribe for more beauty hacks. Would you try this? Let me know in the comments.